Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu French toast. First, gather your ingredients, including brioche bread, eggs, mascarpone cheese, and strong brewed coffee. We'll start by preparing the coffee dip and the rich egg custard. Then, we'll create a delightful mascarpone filling. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a delicious and impressive breakfast or dessert. Get ready to transform classic French toast into an Italian-inspired treat. To begin, brew about 1 cup of strong coffee or espresso and let it cool down completely. This is crucial for the tiramisu flavor. Next, prepare your custard by whisking 3 large eggs with 1/4 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of sugar until well combined. Finally, slice your brioche bread into generous 1-inch thick pieces, ensuring they are ready to absorb all the delicious flavors. Now for the fun part, assembly and cooking. First, quickly dip each brioche slice into the cooled coffee mixture, just enough to moisten without making it soggy. Immediately after, dip the coffee-soaked bread into your prepared egg custard. Place the coated slices onto a buttered griddle or frying pan over medium heat. Cook each side until it's beautifully golden brown, which usually takes about 3 minutes per side. To finish your tiramisu French toast, spread about 2 tablespoons of the creamy mascarpone, filling onto 1 cooked French toast slice. Then, gently top it with another slice to create a delicious sandwich. For that authentic tiramisu look and taste, generously dust the top with unsweetened cocoa powder. You can also add chocolate shavings or fresh berries for an extra touch. Serve immediately and enjoy this decadent treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.